Hello everyone, my name is Franz Mijail Terceros and my code is 23281. In this opportunity, I will take to you about the importance of genetic improvement in honeybees. For introductions, we know that with the passing of the year, humanity has always sought to improve their quality of life. Because of this demand greatly expand in the agriculture area, coming to cut down large quantities of virgin forest to devote purely to agriculture. The results were poor, as it managed to cater to need of food demanded by the population year after year increased significantly. uh, this has made the agriculture has passed to the next level and see the need to use more chemicals to control pests and to ensure the production until here everything is fine. But we forgot a few small friends who played a very important role, and not only in agriculture but in life. These are honeybees. Bees are responsible for pollinating flowers and basically those are responsible for 80% of the pollination of flora in the world. The honey class of bees is the main source of pollination in the world for food crops, fiber, and oilseeds. Bees collect nectar from flowers. This liquid is very important for this, um, and the liquid gives them food and material to make honey. As they land, their bodies collect and sit fine particles of pollen. And if the bees go extinct, the population will last no more than 4 years and life on Earth will be ended. And the most alarming of all mentioned above is that indeed bees are reducing their population considerably. According to Kevin Hackett, an official of the United States Department of Agriculture, the world population of honey bees is declining, and this news is very important for the humanity. Experts say that honeybees are responsible for up to around $20 billion in food production in the United States alone. But scientists have estimated that the bee population in the United States has declined by 50% over the past half century. So, if the population of bees continue declining, the economy to United States uh, will decline too, because with this information we know that the bees are very important to economic um, for United States. The two main and potential causes of this decrease in population are the first, chemicals used by farmers to control pests that affect the crop are a primary reason why the population of bees has decreased a lot of, because of the toxic chemicals that are used to counteract the attack of pests also come to affect the bees of a hive, and with just that one is infected, so that end up affecting the whole hive. Let's just remember that a hive has a population of about 8,000 bees. Another cause is pest and disease of bees. And among of most harmful, we have the varroa pest that can reduce by 50% the population between worms and adult bees. And another is the tracheal mite that nests in the respiratory tube of adult bees. Scientists now have a genetic map of bees, results showing the order or sequence of 98% of the honeybee genome, create a buzz of excitement. Understanding how a honeybee is designed should help scientists produce stronger bees. The main result of the honeybee genome sequencing project consortium appeared in the journal Nature. This international team is led by Human Genome Research from Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas. Related reports appear in other publications. Like humans, bees have genes that give them a sense of day and night. Scientists believe that these help honeybees to collect food. Bees find flowers by smell. Bees have more genes for the sense of smell than other insects whose genes have been mapped. But one of the project scientists noted that they have fewer genes for test. He believes this could help them avoid uh, pesticides and plant disease to find food. Genetic research suggests that bees originate from Africa. Their brains have genetic parts similar to those of the fruit fly, but fruit flies like to be alone. Scientists are interested in how for millions of years honeybees develop the complex social order in which they live. Thank you for listening.